You are going to love the 2012 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, 4-wheel drive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.